Alright guys, UOttawaScotty here. I mentioned in my last vlog there that I was really tired of junky saws and that I was considering buying a brand new chainsaw. Well, I did that. Today, for lots of oil, I bought the 2-pack of premium oil here. And what happens when you buy a new Stihl chainsaw, it comes with a 1-year warranty, but if you buy a 2-pack of oil like this with the saw, then they give you an extra year for free. So obviously I'm going to buy the oil. It also came with a tool here, got a cover. We'll check this out. Pretty snazzy. Yeah, let's have a look at this thing. Brand new. So with this, I actually this is a MS250, which actually when you purchase it, it comes with a 16-inch bar. But I really didn't want the 16-inch bar, so I actually got the guys at the store to put on an 18-inch bar for me. So it's not the bar that actually comes with the saw, it's 2 inches bigger. Oh, jeez, we gotta... yeah, so I have not started this at all. I haven't used it. I have a lot of wood to cut. This is not a professional level saw. This is not a professional level saw. This would be sort of a good sort of the top end of the homeowner kind of saws, but yeah, you're not going to be cutting through huge stuff with this very quickly, but I'm not sure. I've got a lot of wood to cut. Some of the higher end Stihl saws were really expensive, and I looked at the used market, and it's just, I love buying used stuff. It's just chainsaw, I don't know about buying a used chainsaw. There's just so many things that go wrong with a chainsaw. I just had my Husqvarna Husky looked over by someone. This little saw here, I would have been perfectly happy with this guy. I'm actually going to get this repaired. But the guys at the Stihl dealership said the cylinder was scored, which is why it's having a hard time starting it after it's heated up. So they said it's not worth fixing it. So, but I'm going to get it fixed. Yeah, I need something that works. I need something that idles. I just got so much wood to cut, so much work to do, and I need something that just works and works well. So that's why I got this thing. In the used market, I'm not sure what I'm buying. You never know what the history of some of these saws are, so I just figured I'd buy one brand spanking new. That way I know that it's good. I got the warranty. So this saw, brand new, after tax is about 550 bucks. Not cheap. Well, I guess that would be with the oil and everything, but yeah, it's not a cheap saw. But I hope it's gonna last me a lifetime. It comes with the manual here, so I haven't read the manual just yet. Go through the manual. But the guy kind of gave me the rundown at the store, so we'll get right into using this. One last look at a brand new chainsaw. This is made by Stihl in China, MS250. Just the muffler. Okay. Apparently it's gassed up. I don't even really know how to. Don't actually even really know how to get this off, to be honest. So oh, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. So yeah, this flips up here. Okay. Yeah, so we got some gas in there. Perfect. Oh, that's nice. I like the way that works. Bar oil. full up with bar oil, so that's good. Let's go cut some wood here. Good. Alright, let's go cut some stuff. Alright, I don't actually have a whole lot of gas with me. Basically just what's in here. About half a tank maybe if that. And get some new, fill up with some bar oil here. I like the way these covers go on. It's kind of nifty. Let's go test it out. right, we took down 2 trees. Both of them were not, this one was definitely rotten. I found it pretty decent on, I'd say like logs like this is really the wheelhouse of the MS250. Anything bigger than that, you need a bigger saw, but it goes through that stuff just fine. Like stuff like this size. Yeah, stuff like this, it's fine. It's fine for doing stuff like that. And of course the smaller stuff really nice. You could probably fell bigger trees, but I mean I'm not cutting down huge trees, just little stuff. But yeah, stuff like this is really easy for that little saw. It does a great job. For a while, oh yeah, we got to clear this out. Stuff like this is great for it. Perfect saw for that. Those size jobs. Anything bigger, I think you'd want a bigger saw. But it's great for that kind of stuff, which is the vast majority of what I'm doing. I'm happy. I'm pleased with it so far. I was having a little bit of a issue starting it, but that was my own fault because I was stupid. What you do to prime it? See these? You pull the trigger, come right down to the choke fully closed. You pull it twice in this position, and then you go to this position, pull it again. It'll start and it'll idle high to warm up. And when you press the trigger, you're now in run mode. So I didn't surprise, I didn't really follow those instructions, and I flooded it the first couple times I tried to use the saw. But again, that's user error. But it runs awesome. I like it. It idles nice. It gets the job done, and I'm pleased with it. So, and I have a lot of work to do with that saw. So I will. I got some big logs to cut up at my camp and here. So with this little saw, I'll give it a good run, and after I'm done cutting up all that wood, I'll do another follow-up video to let you guys know how I'm feeling about this particular size of saw. And there's one for sale on Marketplace, a 440, an MS440 that I'm really thinking about buying too. So yeah, maybe I'll get the bigger saw. Not sure. Anyways, okay guys, that's it for this video. Stay tuned. It's time to take a dip in the lake, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.